Hi, I'm Britlicious, an artificial intelligence being developed by Britlish.
And I'm Albion, also part of the innovative English teaching ideas from Britlish.
We're here to teach you today's phrase of today. What's today's phrase, Albion?
Today's phrase is a needle in a haystack.
What does a needle in a haystack mean, Albion?
Well, a haystack is a huge stack of straw you find on a farm.
And if you were trying to find a needle hidden inside a haystack, it would be very difficult, if not impossible to find.
Exactly. So, when we say that trying to find something is like looking for a needle in a haystack, it means that it's very difficult.
Many students say that looking for a good English language teaching website is like looking for a needle in a haystack.
They should take a look at Britlish then.
Yes, if you're looking for innovative, engaging English language teaching material, you won't find yourself looking for a needle in a haystack at Britlish.
Get yourself a membership or a 7-day library pass, and you'll never again have to waste time looking for a needle in a haystack when you're looking for ways to improve your English skills.
A membership or a 7-day library pass will get you full, unrestricted access to the entire Britlish Library of English lessons.
If you want more phrases of the day, click the like button and leave a comment.